everyone. In today's session, we will see how to enable disable commands in Selenium IDE. Okay, so let's launch Chrome browser and launch Selenium IDE. Okay, create a new project, automation testing. Click on OK button. Let me record one scenario. Click on record and enter google.com. Start recording. Search Wikipedia. Okay, click on Wikipedia link and close the script. Okay, stop the recording and test case 1. Okay, enable disable command. So guys, we have recorded one scenarios. So these are called commands. Okay, in this section, all these statements are called commands. Okay, IDE provide you functionality to enable or disable a command or multiple commands in this Selenium IDE. Okay, if you want to disable a command, okay, what do you mean by disable a command? Let's suppose when you run the script, all these statements are executed sequentially from starting number 1 to 7. Okay, but let's suppose you want to skip one operation. Okay, I don't want to execute this click operation on line number 3. Okay, so now Selenium IDE provide you one functionality to comment this line. Okay, that is called disabling a command. Okay, if you want to comment line number 3, just click on line number 3. Okay, you are seeing this blue area. Okay, blue shade area, and let's suppose I want to comment line number 4. Okay, I don't want to run line number 4. Okay, or you can say I want to disable command. Click on, type on where name is equal to q. Okay, so you have to click on this button. Okay, this is enable disable command button. If you click on this button, okay, so it will start showing you 2/ here, that stands for commenting this line. Okay, so now this command is disabled. Okay, when you run the script, it will not execute this step. Okay, so let's run the script and see the impact of this disabling a command. Now what is this command? This is a type command, and is typing Wikipedia in search box. Okay, so now we will run this command. It should not type Wikipedia in Google search box. Let me run this command. Okay, let me close other browsers. First of all, let me run the script. Have a look at it's not typing anything in Google search box. It's empty. Okay, because we have disabled that particular command to type keys. Have a look. So it didn't type into search box. Okay, so but it will show you a green. When you run this script, commenting section will be shown as green only, because for Selenium this command is successful. If it's commenting section, means it's a disabled command, but it's green. Okay, but it will not be executed on the browser. Now if you have to enable this command back, you can click on this button again, select this line number 4 and click on this enable disable command. It will enable the command. Okay, now have a look. 2/ are moved from this line. Okay, let me run this scenario again. Now it will type text in Google search box. Let me click on run test case. So it's launching browser. Have a look. It's typed Wikipedia in Google search box. Okay, let me show you one more example. Let's suppose I want to disable this click command. Okay, in which we are clicking on the Wikipedia Google search results. Okay, so let me comment this line. Okay, now we will run this. Let me set the speed to slow so that we can see like what is happening. Now let me run this scenario. It's launching in browser. Speed is slow because we set it to slow. It will type Wikipedia here. Okay, it will search Wikipedia, but in our script we recorded that we are clicking on this Wikipedia first link. Okay, but it didn't click on that Wikipedia link because we have commented this line. Okay, so you are seeing 2/ here, so that's why it was not clicking on Wikipedia link. Let me enable this command Okay, now have a look, this command is enabled again. Now if we run the script again, it will click on Wikipedia link. Have a look, it's launching browser and searching Wikipedia. Searching Wikipedia. Okay, now we will get go to Google results. Now it will click on this Wikipedia first link, Wikipedia-Wikipedia. Have a look, it's clicked on that, right? So this is the benefit of enable or disable commands. If you want to skip the execution of a particular command in a script, okay, instead of deleting that command, let's suppose I don't want to run this command in my script, okay, I have another option, that is we can right click on it and we can delete it, okay. But instead of deleting it, let's suppose we want to use this command again in future, okay, so we have another option, that is enable or disable command, okay. If you disable that command, that will not be executed in your script, okay, you can enable it again anytime, okay. So that was the enable disable command feature of Selenium IDE. Thank you so much.